Hey, Redman is in the building. You already know. Mike, you onion head fuck. What's good? PSA announcement for everybody. If you're about the future of these kids, if you're about the education of our youth, then check out the Education Network TV. That's the Education Network TV, boy. On YouTube. They got their own YouTube channel, and it's lit. How y'all young people saying it's litty, man? Yeah, it's lit. You know? And research. Don't just take my word for it. Anything I tell you, I want you guys to research. But it's about the kids. It's about the youth. We want them to be better than us. But we have to also direct them and steer them in the right way sometime. You know, just like our parents did for us. Just like the elderly did for us when we was coming up. So check out the Education Network TV with my boy Mike. It's on the YouTube channel. And that shit is litty, boy. And kids, no smoking, no marijuana, unless it's with me first to test it out, okay? Ha, psych.
What's up, guys? Yeah, we back with another one, man. Thank you for tuning in to Education Network TV. I know you've seen that intro. If you like it, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell icon, too. So anytime I upload some great content like this, or go live on a live stream on YouTube, you're going to be the first to get notified. That bell sounds a little something like ding when you press it, alright? But I appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Today's topic is we're going to talk about different ways to make money online. How to make money online, guys. And that doesn't only mean affiliate marketing or MLM or different things like that. You know, like, take for myself, like an entrepreneur or somebody that's trying to take the route or the path of entrepreneurship. You know, you can do things such as like what I'm doing to you, like vlogging. They consider this, the people that's watching this consider what I'm doing, talking to y'all right now through YouTube, as vlogging. So you can make money through vlogging. YouTube will definitely pay you for vlogging. And they go based upon like CPMs and RPMs and different things like that. But I'm not going to touch on that because you can definitely get a violation. So I'll let you guys do the research and things like that. But I'm just giving you, touching on different ideas and things like that on different ways to make money online. And like I was saying before, is such as this, like vlogging, meaning like you can brand yourself such as merchandise. Like, I know you guys seen the logo in the beginning of the video. Look, I have the shirt on. I'm wearing a shirt. Also got the sweatpants on, guys. I'm actually branding myself, branding Education Network TV. So with that being said, this logo, if I keep going in the right direction and I build the momentum up high enough, this logo can actually be worth millions of dollars one day. If I stay focused, because it all starts here, and I keep putting the work in and keep grinding, this channel, Education Network TV, can be worth millions. Because remember, you got to crawl before you walk. Nobody starts off at the top, all right? So if you understand that and you're ready for entrepreneurship, first off, you got to get out your mind that this ain't no get rich overnight type of thing. It's going to require you to have a strategy, to have patience, and to actually execute a plan. Put something together and stick to it. Entrepreneurship is not built for the weak, but I just wanted to touch on this video because I know like it's a lot of people that Google how to make money online, whether you're viewing this on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, maybe in the Google search engine algorithm. I don't know how you're coming across my videos or how you even get into my channel, but once again, make sure you hit that like button if you like this content. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification bell icon, guys. It sounds something like bing. But yeah, another way is you could take online surveys. I'm not too familiar of how that goes, but I know something along the lines of online surveys is like you go to a website. I guess you sign up for like a website, and then they like email you surveys, and then they pay you like a certain percentage of how many surveys you take per day or how many surveys you could get done in a certain amount of time. But I know that is also another legitimate way. Another way is create a website. You can be a freelancer. Say if you got a great skill, say if you're a rapper, say if you're a great writer, say if you're a great storyteller, say if you do voiceovers for like movies and things like that. Guys, go out there. That's what Google is for. Everybody wants to Google anything anyway. We could get on Google and Google a whole bunch of BS, but we can't get on Google and Google something that's going to benefit us in the future or benefit us right now. But let's not get off track. Anyway, say if you got a skill, you can list your skills on the internet for sale. You're basically a freelancer. You're for hire. So if somebody's looking for your skill, they could go in, type you up, or just type in a certain keyword. And if you know things about SEO and marketing and different things like that, guess what? Who's going to pop up for a certain keyword if they know about SEO? You are, my friend. And guess who's going to get that sale 9 times out of 10? You are, my friend. So with that being said, guys, it's all about educating yourself, all about doing the research. That's why you're tuned in here on Education Network TV, because each one teach one here, guys. We're all about for the betterment of each other, guys. So I just want to take the time out, because I haven't been going live, haven't been doing a few things like that. So I just wanted to tap in with you guys and let you guys know that I'm okay. Education Network TV is okay, and I miss you guys, man. Things are a little busy, but we're going to get back on focus and get back on track of what this channel is actually really about. It's about giving ideas, sparking interest in people who really want to take the entrepreneurship route, but is a little bit hesitant and timid to step out because they don't want to step outside of the norm. They've been doing the norm for so long that doing something outside of that just doesn't feel right. And I get it, because I was there, guys. You're basically fighting with yourself, but let me tell you something. You got to trust yourself. Trust yourself, because nobody's going to trust you like you trust yourself. And if you got more trust in people, as they say, in man or woman, than you got in yourself, I think that you should really stand back like this. Go find yourself the closest mirror that you got, seriously, and look at yourself and say, yo, what am I doing? What am I doing? Because for you not to trust yourself, but trust your person, the person next to you more than you trust yourself, it's kind of like a little asinine to me. Like it just don't add up. So basically what I'm saying, guys, is you want to make money online, have a clear vision. Have a clear mind. Know what niche you want to be in. Set out a goal. Say in X amount of months or X amount of years, or whatever your goal is or whatever your blueprint is, like mine was. Listen, I want to start Education Network TV on YouTube. I want to get my brand going. So I gotta do this by this amount of time if I want to do this. I know it sounds a little crazy and I'm talking a little fast, but guys, keep up with me, because what I'm dropping is jewels here. Pick them up, 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 pick them up. If you don't like what I'm saying, exit the video. Oh yeah, shout out to Redman too. Shout out to Redman, man. I'm pretty sure you guys seen that clip in the beginning of this video. Redman giving a shout out to Education Network TV. You see it, Education Network TV, man. Shout out to Redman. For those of you who don't know who Redman is he's an American rapper who has featured in big films that sold out in box offices all across America, worldwide. Probably not only in America, but like globally, and if you don't know who Redman is, make sure you go to Google like we discussed earlier. Everybody goes to Google for everything else. make sure you go to Google if you want to check out who Redman is. But yeah, once again, man, Redman, thank you so much, man. Shout out to Gilla House. Shout out to your nephew, Ready Rock, man. Shout out to the whole squad, man. But Red, appreciate you, bruh. But yeah, getting back to what we talking about, man, is getting that money online. Getting the money online is not sticking to a blueprint. All roads lead to the bag. You just have to figure out what road works for you. That's it. Once you figure out, listen. Once you figure out what road works for you, you can navigate and go anywhere and still end up to the bag because you got a vision. Your vision is clear. You're not out here just, yo, what's the next move? Damn, man, I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to do tonight. Damn, I'm about to, yo, like, what, like, you're not moving like that. So when you don't move like that and you actually strategically plan your movements, guess what happens? Your outcome is kind of guaranteed because you know what you did, like 2 + 2 is 4, 6 × 6 is 12, or 5 × 5 is 25. Like basic mathematics or basic multiplication, however you want to break it down, like like if you break down the math and all that comes with it, that, okay, my outcome, if not this, then it should be somewhere close in that range because this is how it was planned. You feel what I'm saying? So you also got to remember that people who plan to fail to plan. Don't let that go over your head. I'm going to say it again. People who plan to fail to plan. Once again, guys, I just want to thank y'all for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, make sure once again you smash the thumbs up button. Hit that and subscribe. Oops, my bad. Didn't mean to curse. Don't penalize me for it. I'm human just like everybody else. But also hit that post notification bell icon so anytime I go live, anytime I upload some content, some great content such as this, you, along with the day one subscribers, is going to get notified. Alright? But look, let me just give some shout outs real quick. Actually, now we're going to save the shout outs. Like I said, I want to stick to the script. Was coming in here to talk about different ways to make money online. So let's get back. We talked about vlogging. We talked about online surveys. We talked about freelancing. Basically, like if you got a talent and you're offering your services for a fee. That is called freelancing. That is called work for hire. So we covered that. We covered online surveys. And we also covered, excuse me guys, we covered vlogging. Just what I'm doing right here. Coming to you live on YouTube. But these are just a few different examples and ways of how to make money online. There are many multitude of ways, many different avenues, guys. I was just coming on here trying to bring you good energy. And also, listen. If you are a content creator on YouTube, guys, don't be afraid to reach out with other brands, collaborate, and network, because that's what it's all about. Rappers do it all the time. Entertainers do it all the time. Movie stars, singers, doesn't matter what brand you're in. Collaboration is key to expanding your brand or to expand on your success, because all you're doing is cross-branding. You're mixing your audience with their audience. They're mixing their audience with your audience. So that's how it goes, guys. Don't be afraid to reach out. And that's just a little jewel for all my content creators that's actually on a positive note, positive wave, and that's trying to expand that brand. So with that being said, guys, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I just wanted to come in and lock in with y'all real quick. Education Network TV, and I ain't got nothing but love to everybody that's viewing this video. So with that being said, man, peace.